Hi, I'm Rashmi Gupta. I wanted to do something in yoga, so I enrolled in the YCP course, but that's it. I had no inkling how to go about it. That's when I came across the Healing Sparsh Academy, and there I met Kavita Godha ma'am and Nilima Jain ma'am. They were both very welcoming. Their encouragement and patience and their ability to break down the poses and the concept helped me a lot in my practice. And now I have cleared the YCP level 2, and this has not only introduced me to a new passion, but it's a great and a fantastic way to invest time in myself. I would recommend this to anyone who wants to do something in yoga, and Kavita ma'am's and Nilima ma'am's deep knowledge and passion can be seen in each and every class of the Healing Sparsh Academy. So yes, I would highly recommend to join this class. Thank you.